I'm going to check my mirrors. Don't signal too early. So I'm just signaled and I'm start parking up already. So I'm coming slowly because the white van's moving away. So they'll say, can we get a little bit more closer? About half a car's length. If you're not sure what half a car's length is, make sure you've got enough space to move out. That's what they'll tell you. And they'll guide you and say, thank you very much. That should be fine there. About here. Okay? So, and then they'll say, when it's safe to do so, please drive off. So what they're looking for here is the control of the car, making sure you do your observations, making sure you know what's coming behind you, as well as what's in front of you, and making sure you don't go too much over that white line, the center white line. So I'm doing my observations, blind spot check. I'm just checking behind me. There is a car coming, I'm not sure. So I've just waited there. And I can see my mirror. I'm doing blind spot check. Now I'm moving off. And I'm just taking it nice and easy, looking at my speed, and I'm turning the wheel back. And then I'm back on the gas. Make sure you don't slow anybody down behind you. If you cause an inconvenience to somebody, any road user, it could lead to a major fault.